Hey everyone, so if you got tired paying about 30, 40 bucks changing your engine air filter when it takes all of about 2 minutes to do it, I'll show you in this video exactly how to do it here with my Ram 2023 Bighorn. But this also will be applicable to other Rams such as the 2019 and beyond. Any of the 5th generation Rams should be pretty similar to what I'm going to show you here in this video. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, I would appreciate you giving me a thumbs up to help push this video out to others, and then also go ahead and subscribe if you want to be notified of future content I put out. So like I said, this is a very simple process. All you're going to need is either a drill or a screwdriver or both in this case, because it is a little difficult to get the drill into some of the spots. And then you'll also need the replacement engine air filter. I'll link to this one above. It was the highest rated on Amazon, but go ahead and check it out. Double check that it fits for your model, but any Ram, I believe 2011 and beyond, should work with this air filter, so you should be good if you fit into that category. So if by chance you've never popped the hood on your Ram and you need to know where the latch is for that, it's right here underneath of your steering wheel. You can see the latch there. I've already got mine up, but you'll just pull that, you'll hear it pop. And then there's this little lever over here. You just got to push that down, and then you can put your hood up like that. There is no stand for it. It holds itself up, which is nice. Now what you're looking for here is this box that holds the engine air filter. There's just 6 screws here. They are captive screws, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out the bottom when you're unscrewing them. But there's one here, one there, one back there that's a little bit tighter to get to, one over there, one here, and then one there. So we just need to pop those 6 screws off, and then we'll be able to lift this up, which is nice. It's got this flexible hose here, and then pull out the old one and pop in the new one, and that's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and take all those screws out, but if you don't have a drill, first thing you should do is question your life decisions up to this point. Second thing you should do is get yourself one here in this Amazon link above. Like I said, these are captive screws, so don't worry about it falling out of there whenever you're unscrewing it. And the last one back there is too tight to get in with my drill, so I need a screwdriver for that one. Okay, so you just lift up gently on that. And then you can see underneath of it, there's your air filter. This is what they're showing you at your oil change, telling you that you should replace this pretty much every time you get an oil change. Whether or not you actually should, different question. Okay, so you can see there mine. I'll compare it with the new one, but you can see it's pretty dirty, grody looking, which you don't want. Okay, and there's that new one, which is nice and clean in comparison. So now we just need to throw that in there, button it back up, and you're pretty much done. This might be obvious, but if you look at it here, you want this black lip to be on the top side whenever you're putting it down in there. And just make sure you go around the whole border and push it in there so it's in there nice and tight, not popped up or anything. Okay, feels pretty good. Now, whenever you're putting it back in there, you will need to make sure these screws are actually lining up in the holes down below. You don't want them to be offset and accidentally try to screw it into something else. So just feel around when you're putting them back down that they're actually going into the holes. I'm just gonna double check, make sure they're not sticking out to the side or anything. Okay. Now we can go ahead and screw those back in. Don't feel like you need to over tighten or torque these to the point you're gonna strip them out. Just get them pretty snug. Okay. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So for the price of about 15 bucks to buy the replacement filter yourself, instead of paying $30, $45, either at a dealership or at an oil change shop to get it replaced for you, Takes you about 2 minutes. You can just start doing that yourself. Save a decent amount of money. But thank you for hanging on until the end there. If you got value from this video, appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of future content, go ahead and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you here on the next one.